everyone, welcome to Learning Pronunciations with Hua. This first episode is about learning the two open vowels and a. Why and a are open vowels? To really understand the answer to this question, you need to pay attention to how it feels in your throat and your mouth. An open vowel, or the other name of this is low vowel. It's a vowel sound that you make with first, your tongue's position is as far away as possible from the roof of your mouth. In other words, your tongue is in the low position, unlike closed vowel. You can see that in the picture. Secondly, your mouth remains open and unrounded. So now, let's get started by practicing these two vowels, and a. The first vowel, make the sound as in the word father. This is a long sound. Keep your mouth wide open. Put the back of the tongue down and put your jaw down a little bit. Repeat after me. One more time. If you still find it hard to pronounce this sound is pretty much the same sound that we produce when our doctor asks us to stick our tongue out and say, Okay, some words and sentences for you to practice. After. After learning English, I will watch Romantic Doctor Teacher 2. Afternoon. This afternoon, the new episodes of Crash Landing on You will be released. The second vowel, a. Make the sound a as in the word cat. A is a short sound. To pronounce sound a, you need to keep your mouth wide open. Put the back of your tongue down. Put your jaw down. Repeat after me. A. Okay, I will give you some words and sentences for you to practice. A. One more time. A. Black. Where is my black jacket? Cash. Thanks for the cash. Okay, before saying goodbye, let's revise what we have learned today. Today we have learned two things. First, open vowels or low vowel. Second, the characteristic of the two sounds and a. First of all, open vowels. Your tongue is in low position. Your mouth is not round. Keep them straight. Secondly, the characteristics of the two sounds and a. In the word father and a in the word cat. Well, after watching my videos, I hope that you guys can find out the three J's for creating sounds. Can you tell me? Okay, I will tell you first. Pay attention to your mouth, or the roundness of your lips, tongue, and your jaw. Don't forget to practice these two open vowels. Again at home, again and again at home. Practice makes perfect. Bye bye.